Welcome back to Learn Duolingo French with me. We're going to jump right back in to get the fourth crown from the basics, foundations. We're just taking our time. We're not here to prove anything. We're here to learn. So, just time to relax. Yeah, start the challenge, man. Bring it on. Full blast. All right, let's review. Oh, man, I'm in the wrong area. Translate this sentence. You are a cat. Tu es un chat. Tu es un chien. Is that right? Oh man, I'm already struggling. Tu es un chien. Thought I turned that guy off. A man is eating. So, un homme. Whoa. Mange. Un homme mange.
Tu es un chat.
Tu es un chat is you are a cat. You are a cat. Tu es un chat. Bam. Translate the word. Un chat, so le chat. I believe.
Un homme mange.
Un homme mange. So a man is eating. Oh, don't do this to me. Whoa, what is happening? A man is eating. Un homme mange. This chair is cracking. I hope I don't fall down. Translate the word. La femme. La femme.
Un homme et un garçon.
Un homme et un garçon, so a man and a boy. A man and a boy. Un homme et un garçon. No, we're not doing that.
Tu manges un croissant.
Tu manges un croissant, so tu manges with an S because there's a tu in there. I don't know why, but tu manges un croissant. Ah, I tried to press the croissant. Does that look right? My eyes are going blurry on me.
Tu manges.
Oh, please.
Tu manges une orange.
Tu manges une orange. So, tu manges with an S. Une orange? Oh. Tu manges une orange. Hear that again?
Tu manges une orange.
Une orange, it is.
Un chat. Un chat et un cheval.
Un chat et un cheval. Un chat et un cheval. A cat and a horse.
Tu es un cheval?
So, oops. Tu es un cheval. Don't use this on tu es un cheval. That's all. Not even gonna say it. Not even gonna say it. Dun, dun. Got my hot tea here. 4 crowns. Come on. 4 crowns.
Have you ever finished a book that you absolutely loved and you want to pick up something similar but you don't know where to start?
Tu manges une orange. I don't like the audible ones. 34. I don't care what do the gems even do again? I'm just here to learn lessons, man. 3-day streak, even though this is like the 13th or 12th video. Sometimes I sit here, I'll make like a whole bunch of 5 to 10 minute videos. 4 crowns. Love it. Just so I have a buffer, just in case I, catch a cold or something. You reach level 4. We got 1 more crown and we get that mega chest. I can't wait to see what it is. Alright, let's keep going. Lessons. There's going to be 5 of these till we get the 5th crown. My eyes are hurting a little bit. I just slapped my... Oh, wow. Everything just came in crystal clear there.
Chat.
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 Chat. Cat. Continue.
Un chat.
Un chat is a cat. Un chat.
Un.
Un.
Un garçon.
Un garçon. Type the French. Un garçon. A boy.
Un garçon et un chat.
Un garçon et un chat. So it's a boy and a cat. A boy and a cat. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is going on there? That's not what I type. A boy and a cat. Un garçon et un chat. Bam.
Un homme. Un homme.
Un homme. Un homme. A man. A man.
Un chat et un homme.
Un chat et un homme.
Un chat et un homme.
Un chat et un homme. A cat and a man. Type the what? What do I have to type? Type the English. Okay. A cat and a man. A cat and a boy. Un chat et un garçon. Un chat et un garçon. Squiggly C. G-R-C-O-N. What is that C called? That little squiggle line there. Un chat et un garçon. Call it squiggly C.
Un homme et un chat.
Type the French. Un homme. Oh man. Et un chat. Et un chat. Does that look right to you? I don't know. A man and a boy. So un homme et un garçon. Un homme et un garçon. Un homme et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon.
Sorry, can't use the microphone. Un garçon. Un garçon. Un garçon. Un garçon. A man and a cat. Un homme et un chat. Un homme et un chat. Translate this sentence. A cat is un chat. Un chat. A cat and a man is un chat et un... Oops. Un homme. Un chat et un homme. A boy and a cat is un garçon et un chat. So, un squiggly C, un garçon et un chat. Wow, that felt really easy breezy. They really fortified me in those earlier lessons. Tu es un cheval? Don't say that to the girls. Or girls don't say that to the boys.
Not enough time to read.
Whoa, Deborah.
Read one book in
Hold your horses. Hold your chevals. Chevals? Hold your les cheval. Alright, that's it for this lesson. See you guys in the next lesson. I gotta see what happens after this. Alright, peace out.